Welcome back, everybody. What is today? Today is Saturday, the 21st of March. Yes. When you don't know what month it is. We are somewhere out in East Texas. We just left, what's the name of that little city? Belleville? Belleville. We have Debbie behind me. She is not mic'd up. We went to Newman's Castle. Newman's Castle's a unique place. They have that's a big bowl. They have a bakery in Belleville. And then that's kind of how he got his funds to build his castle. Newman Bakery, that's a piece car. And so I don't know if this was more like a roadside attraction, a tourist trap, or if it was just cool. We definitely walked through it. I got a lot of video. I will definitely throw some in here. The guy lived there. This was his personal house. It seems like till recent too, within the last year or so. It has been longer than that. She's correcting me in the background, which I love. That's why I was kind of pausing a little bit. That cow, the front of it was black and white and the back of it was red or brown, whatever you want to call it. That was the coolest cow. I want that kind of cow. It was black and white and red all over. It was, I'm not joking. But yeah, it was unique seeing some eccentric person's thoughts laid out. He built all the furniture. He built the building. He's built all the buildings in the courtyard. You can, it has a new bell tower or newer bell tower. He built a moat. I mean, you name it. This thing is full-fledged castle, drawbridge, moat, you name it. Welcome back, everybody. We, well, what day is it? 21st. We have the beautiful Deborah K mic'd up today. And we took a little ride to a castle here in Texas. So we have someone that's done some world traveling, and she's gonna tell us how this castle stacks up to the castle she's seen in Europe. So
yeah, it's not Texas size.
It's got a bell tower. Let's show everybody. See, it's a castle. It has a moat, right? We got a moat. We got a drawbridge. We've got a bell tower. We have beautiful water. We have the little end round things, whatever they're called. Spin everybody around. And we discussed that it is not a catapult. It's a trebuchet. So once we get in, I'll come back, everybody.
You turn. Get inside and walk.
Yeah. Huh.
Is that what I was going to charity?
What are you thinking? Yeah, so is this everybody wants to know, is this the nicest castle you've ever been? No.
Nicest kid in America.
Yeah? It's not bad in here.
It wasn't built to be defended.
No. Yeah.
So the guy that built this by hand does no longer live here. He's just done with it. So he lives in Houston. But it sounds like... Did he say Airbnb? You can Airbnb this?
Got people that stay there. I think they open it up for weddings. And
That would be cool. Huh. And then the guy built everything. The furniture, the... Excuse me. Yeah, I mean, that's just what you would think of a castle furniture.
He made it himself.
Yeah, that's crazy.
40 of your friends. Must be the children's room up there.
That's really pretty.
It smells.
What does it smell like? Wood? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, she's exploring, people. Shall we follow? Ye old tidings. Oh, yeah. Ye old steps are difficult to climb.
Are ye old bones?
My ye old bones. It's really pretty up here.
I like the little dragon.
Yeah, there was another one when we walked in.
Oh, that is cool.
It's a little gargoyle. So we'll come back as we explore the ye old castle of Texas. All right, so we're back into the main living. See if we can scroll back a little bit. What'd you find?
Ye old TV.
Ye old TV. That's a good place for ye old TV.
Ye old TV. Ye old, yeah.
It doesn't fit the decor. Oh, wow. Holy crap, this is big. So the guy lived here. This was his personal house. And now you can Airbnb, I do believe. You can take the tours. Go slow. Watch foam fall on my face. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So it's Newman's Castle, but they started with a bakery, correct? And there's a bakery in town.
Okay. Wow, back in the day, they made mattresses out of hay.
Yeah.
So I guess that's a real mattress.
Just walking through.
It's like a big echo in here. What is it?
So did you see these pictures of me? Yes. All these pictures. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
It's my favorite road.
Yeah, I don't know what to think or say, to be honest with you.
Oh my goodness gracious. Wow.
Hmm.
Okie dokie.
We'll be back, everybody.
What? Oh, put it down.
There we go. We'll make it clean.
Looking good.
So if you could, that's a nice house back there. If you could, please give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. The beautiful Deborah K says, later. Bye. See everybody down the road.